Good morning everyone. So today we'll continue with exact differential equation. So the procedure to solve exact differential equation is this. Okay, so first we should check whether the question is in the form m dx plus n dy. Then we should note down what is m, what is n. Okay, then we should check whether this condition is satisfied. If this condition is satisfied, then we can say the given equation is exact. That is dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. Okay, the second step is after this, after finding whether the given equation is exact, we have to solve that, right? So in order to solve that, we are using this formula, that is integral. We will take here y as constant. Okay, y is not a function here in this m dx, and we are taking integrating terms of n not containing x. That means if this is see this example, this is in the form of m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. So this is n, right? Terms of n not containing x means we should not take the values which has x here. Okay, so we should take only 2y plus 1 in this integral into dy is equal to the constant c. Okay, so we will solve a problem. So as we analyze, this is m in the form of m dx plus n dy. We'll note down what is m, what is n. Second step is to check whether this condition is satisfied, right? So we will check dou m by dou y is equal to what? So here m is this. What is dou m by dou y? That is partial differentiation with respect to y. That means x will be a constant here, right? So constants differentiation is 0 plus differentiation of 3y with respect to y is 3 into differentiation of y is 1, right? With respect to y, plus again the differentiation of the constant is 0. So we will find dou n by dou x. So we have dou n by dou x. What is it? So we have with respect to x, y is a constant here. That means what is the differentiation of 3x? It is 3 plus 0 plus 0, right? 3 plus 0 plus 0. So now next, is it equal? This is equal to 3. This is also equal to 3. So whether our condition is satisfied, dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. The condition is satisfied. Therefore, the given differential equation is exact. Okay. Then now the solution can be found using this formula, right? So we will write in that form integral where y is a constant. Where y is a constant, what happens? M dx. M is this, that is 4x plus 3y plus 1 into dx plus integral terms of n not containing x. So that means it is 2y plus 1 dy is equal to c, right? So now we have to solve this. Okay, so here since y is a constant, we will consider 3y is constant. Okay, so now we have 4 into integration of x is x square by 2 plus 3y is a constant. Now differentiation of integration of 1 is with respect to x, it is x plus integration of 1 is x plus this is with respect to y now. So 2y square by 2 plus y is equal to the integration constant. See here 2 2's are here, 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So you are remaining with x square plus 3yx plus x plus y is equal to c, which is your required differential equation. Okay, it's 2x square, right? Sorry for the mistake. So it is 2x square plus 3yx plus x plus y is equal to c. Okay, we'll get into the next question. Okay, this is the next question. X square plus y dx plus y square plus x dy is equal to 0. So now this is in the form of m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. What is m? M is equal to x square plus y. What is n? N is equal to y square plus x. So we have to check the condition. dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. So dou m by dou y means, what do we get? X is a constant, that means 0 plus 1. Dou n by dou x, what do we get? Y is a constant, 0 plus 1. So this is equal to 1. This is also equal to 1. That means we can say dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. The condition is satisfied. Therefore, the given differential equation is exact. Okay. Once we get this as differential equation, exact differential equation, our aim is to next solve it. So for that we have the formula integral y is constant here, m dx. What is m? X square plus y dx plus integral of terms of n which is not containing x. That means it is y square dy is equal to the integration constant c. So what do we have? Integrating this with respect to y as constant, that is with respect to x, you should see this dx. Okay, so here we have to integrate, right, with respect to x, y, taking y as constant. So this is x cube by 3 plus y is a constant, we will keep aside. Integration of 1 is with respect to x, it is x plus y cube by 3 is equal to c. Taking 3 as LCM, what do you get? X cube plus yx into 3. I can write it as 3yx plus y cube whole divided by 3 is equal to c. So now we have x cube plus 3yx plus y cube whole divided by 3. This 3 can be taken to the other side, right? So is equal to 3c. This is our required differential equation. Our next question is 2xy plus y minus tan y dx plus x square minus x tan square y plus secant square y dy is equal to 0. First is to check whether this is in the form of m dx plus n dy. Yes, it is in the form of m dx plus n dy. Next is to check whether the condition is satisfied, right? So what is m? 2xy plus y minus tan y. What is n? X square minus x tan square y plus secant square y. So now we'll check the condition. Dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. So 2x is a constant, differentiation of y is 1. Again, differentiation of y with respect to y is 1 minus, what is differentiation of tan y? It is secant square y. Now dou n by dou x, that means with respect to x. So this becomes 2x minus tan square y is a constant, so we'll keep as aside. What is differentiation of x with respect to x? It is 1. Now we have secant square y. Since this does not contain an x term, this is considered as a constant. So with respect to x, differentiation is 0. So now we don't have same terms, right? But we can change this into same terms. Yes, what you can see, 1 minus secant square y minus tan square y. Yes, but we know that what do we know? 1 plus tan square y is nothing but secant square y. If I bring this to the other side and this to this side, what happens? 1 minus secant square y is equal to minus tan square y. So check this out. I can replace this minus tan square y by 1 minus secant square y, right? Or I can replace this 1 minus secant square y by minus tan square y. So what happens? So dou m by dou y is equal to 2x. I am changing this. So 1 minus secant square y can be written as minus tan square y. And what is dou n by dou x? This I'll keep it as it is, because if I change this again, both the equation gets changed, right? So here you have 2x minus tan square y, 2x minus tan square y. That means the condition is satisfied. Which condition? Dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. So our condition is satisfied. We can solve this differential equation, right? Okay, so now in order to solve this, we are taking as integral y is constant m dx plus integral, we are taking the terms of n which does not contain x. So that is secant square y dy is equal to c. Solving this, what do you get? So now 2y is a constant. X with respect to x integration is x square by 2 plus y is a constant. Differentiation of x, 1 is x minus, what is differentiation? Tan y is a constant. Differentiation of 1 is x. So we can write it as x tan y plus, what is integration of secant square y? It is tan square y is equal to c, which is your required differential equation, right? Okay, so integration of secant square y dy is nothing but tan y. Okay, so now 2 and 2 gets cancelled, so remaining is this, which is your required differential equation. So I want all of you to solve this problem and check out whether you are comfortable with exact differential equation. So we'll continue in the next class. Any doubts, you can come back to Google Meet. Okay, thank you.